In the last video I discussed the unwrap and deform commands, and along the way I made this Christmas tree, but obviously the stars here, especially at the bottom, they are stretched. So let's tackle this problem. So what exactly happens when we use unwrap? Let's select this face and run the unwrap command. Unwrap face, and let's also create the star. Let's have a look how Plasticity deals with this unwrapped sheet. Let's array the star, rectangular array, and center it. Let's duplicate these stars and delete two of them just to see the difference when we run the deform. So let's select all these stars, F, look for deform. So select again the neutral plane, which is the unwrapped sheet, and then the target face, which is the sheet we want to project the stars onto. So that's what we get. So this is the bottom, and the top looks okay while the bottom is stretched. Let's gather some more information. Let's take both circles, the circle on the top, at the bottom, Shift D, duplicate them. When we select the small circle, we see a value saying 2.7 meters. It's not the diameter, it's the circumference. Let's select the bottom one. It's 10.8 meters, the circumference. And the circumference is the length of the unwrapped circle. And you can get this value by multiplying the diameter of the circle by P. First of all, let's get the diameter, which is 3.44 meters. Let's multiply it by P. We get the circumference, which is 10.8 meters. And let's check this one also. So let's draw the diameter, which is 0.86 meters. Let's multiply this also with P. 2.7, circumference is 2.7. Let's check also the length of this edge, which is 2.7. So that's why the stars at the top look okay, and the ones on the bottom, they look stretched. So let's again test it. Look for deform, select the neutral plane, which is the unwrapped one, and then the target face. And these stars are fine because the circumference of 2.7 meters is the same length as this edge of the unwrapped face. But these guys are stretched because the circumference of the bottom circle, which is 10.8 meters, is 4 times longer than the length of this edge. So these stars are 4 times stretched. So what can we do about it? We can array these stars 4 times and squeeze these 16 stars. So Sx 0.25. Now they are squeezed 4 times, and center them at the middle of the unwrapped sheet. And here I want to have again 4 stars. And here in the middle I want to have 2 more rows of stars. Squeeze these again along the x-axis, Sx 0.5. And here array these stars with 3. And squeeze them along the x-axis with 0.33. I want that the stars show upwards. Okay, now we are ready to project these stars on the tree. Let's try. So first of all, lock this sheet so we can select the stars comfortably in edge mode. Select the stars, then unlock the sheet. F, look for deform. Select the reference face, which is this one. Then select the target face. Now you have stars which are still a little bit stretched. And here is a little gap. You can do your fine tunings here from the top, and rotate them, pressing R, V for changing the pivot, put it at the center. And by the way, if you want to center the pivot of the star, you will have a hard time if the X-ray is deactivated. you will not catch the center. So therefore, activate the X-ray mode, then select the star, press R and V for changing the pivot, and there you have it. Now you have the center, and now you can make your fine tuning. Unfortunately, if you try to imprint all the stars at once, Plasticity gives you an error. So you have to do it in multiple steps. And first imprint these guys. Shift I, hide occlusion, very important. And select the target body. Let's check. Yeah, that looks okay. I will repeat the process for all the remaining stars. Now we can extrude these faces. I'm not sure whether I can extrude multiple faces along their normals, so let's try. No, that's not possible, so you have to do it, sorry guys, you have to do it one by one. Let's also test the filleting. Very small value of 0.01 works. Here also 0.01 will do the job. And if we hide the edges, we have a nice filleted star. And you can repeat the process for all the other stars if that makes you happy. By the way, if you know the value for extruding and for filleting, you can speed up the process. So in face mode, select this guy, E for extrude, D for distance, D 0.05, enter, and again enter, enter 2 times. And in edge mode, loop select the edge, BD 0.01, enter, and the same for this edge. So B is the shortcut for filleting, D is for filleting right away instead of going into the chamfer. No, I didn't do the whole tree, just the part which is visible in the thumbnail. Let me tell you one thing about the unwrap and deform workflow. It was a little tedious in this case. We had to do some math and the like, but nevertheless, the unwrap and deform workflow is quite powerful. I have used it in much more complex cases. My Venus flytrap tutorial, I used it there also on a surface which is much more complex than this simple cone. So give it definitely a shot. And again, Happy New Year.